Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Mixamo character and export settings so Blender imports cleanly. Choose FBX format labeled for Blender or Unity. This affects bone orientation and scale. Once done, select skin and the correct pose, T or A, because Blender's retargeting relies on that rest pose. Make sure frame rate is set to 30 for predictable timing, and toggle in place if you don't want root motion. Export to a known folder. This avoids confusion when you import into Blender next. You import the FBX into Blender and immediately address orientation and scale to prevent twisted rigs. Use import options for automatic bone orientation when present. Otherwise, rotate the armature 90 degrees on the X or Z axis and apply transforms with Ctrl-A. Once scaled, enable Auto Normalize for weights and inspect bone roll in edit mode, because inconsistent roll breaks IK and animation curves. Clean up any loose geometry and remove doubled vertices. This makes weight transfer and retargeting predictable and stable during the next steps. You now retarget Mixamo animations to your character and finalize the scene. Use a retargeting add-on or manually map bones in the action editor, then bake the animation onto your target armature to lock keyframes. Once baked, scrub the timeline and fix foot sliding, hip offsets, and any unwanted root motion by adjusting F-curves or adding corrective keyframes. Export the finished file as FBX or GLTF. If the animation behaves oddly, recheck bone roll, applied scale, and weight groups. Correcting those resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.